Just hours before his official nomination today, Donald Trump found out one of his criminal cases has been dismissed.
It's the federal case involving classified documents. The judge tossed it based on how Special Prosecutor Jack Smith was appointed. Fox 4's Alex Boyer has a closer look. Alex.
Hey guys, this is certainly a big win for former President Donald Trump, at least in the short term, as he was facing some of the most serious criminal charges brought before him. But legal analysts I spoke to today say this case is far from over.
The ruling caught legal observers by surprise. A judge dismissing former President Donald Trump's classified documents case Monday over concerns about the legality of special counsel Jack Smith's appointment.
I didn't see that one coming, but it's a very straightforward and logical argument that Trump's counsel made, and that was persuasive to this judge in Florida.
David Cole is a constitutional law attorney who reviewed U.S. District Court Judge Eileen Cannon's order. Trump's lawyers argued a technicality that Smith had been illegally appointed by Attorney General Merrick Garland under the Constitution's Appointments Clause and that his office was improperly funded by the Justice Department. Judge Cannon agreed.
Congress could give the Attorney General, General Garland, the authority to appoint a prosecutor here, but it didn't.
Judge Cannon is a Trump appointee, but Cole pointed out the cases are randomly assigned. The case, filed in Florida, involves boxes of classified documents found in Trump's Mar-a-Lago home and allegations he tried to obstruct the investigation. Trump pleaded not guilty to all 37 felony charges from Smith's probe.
So under the venue rules, there's a pretty good argument that it ought to be in Florida, even if it could be brought in D.C.
The White House press secretary was asked if it was the White House counsel's view that the U.S. Attorney General has the right to appoint a special counsel.
I have to refer you to Department of Justice. I don't want to have an opinion from here. Department of Justice is independent, as the president has said.
She's been overturned multiple times now by the appellate courts.
Dr. Robert Sanders is a national security lecturer at the University of New Haven. He's referring to Judge Cannon. Sanders believes the federal government will petition the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals in Atlanta to hear this case, adding that it's far from over.
No time in the past has this ever been upheld as a reason to disavow charges brought by special counsel.
And so if this is ultimately appealed, both Sanders and David Cole tell me that it's very unlikely that the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals would even hear this case before the November election. Back to you.
All right, Alex Boyer, thank you.